Here's my secret to pampering my lips while keeping them soft and smooth. Imagine indulging in a delightful, nourishing lip balm that refreshes your lips and protects them from the elements. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Today, I'm excited to share a fabulous DIY recipe that will allow you to make 50 natural and amazing lip balms at once. Perfect for DIY gifts and party favors. This easy-to-make sweet mint lip balm will moisturize your lips and provide a refreshing burst of minty goodness. You can make this delightful recipe from our DIY Lip Balm Kit, packed with everything you need to craft your silky smooth lip balm that will ensure your lips stay happy and healthy. You can also find all these ingredients on simplyearth.com. Turn off your distractions because making is healing. Let's learn how to make this sweet mint lip balm recipe from Simply Earth. Simply Earth's DIY Lip Balm Kit has everything you need to whip up fabulous lip balms. Shea butter, almond oil, beeswax, cetyl alcohol, and sweet orange and spearmint essential oils. Plus, it has a lip balm tray, spatula, and tubes to showcase your creations. Feel free to swap out any of the essential oils in this kit with your favorite from home. Remember those dilution guidelines for whichever oil or blend you choose. We're excited to hear about the fun blends you love in your lip balms. Drop your favorites in the comments below. Here's what you'll need to make this recipe. If you have a scale at home, I recommend measuring these ingredients by weight, as it is more precise and works better for this recipe. If you don't have a scale at home, feel free to use common kitchen measuring tools like I will in this video. I'll put the weight measurements in the description of this video. 1 cup of shea butter, which is super moisturizing and makes the lip balm super spreadable. 2 tablespoons of almond oil, which softens and moisturizes. Half a cup of beeswax. This creates a layer over the skin and makes your lip balm a balm-like texture. 2 tablespoons of cetyl alcohol. This is a natural thickener and gives your lip balm a silky feeling. 40 drops of sweet orange essential oil. This brightens the skin. 14 drops of spearmint essential oil. This gives a cooling effect. Your lip balm tray and spatula, and 50 lip balm tubes. And you'll also need your labels. First, to prep the lip balm tubes, remove the caps and check that the tube insert is at its lowest level. Next, to prepare the lip balm tray, remove the attached spatula and flip the tray over. The Simply Earth logo should not be visible. Fill the tray with lip balm tubes. Place them upside down into the holes in the tray. Flip the tray back over so that the Simply Earth logo is visible. If any lip balm tubes fall out, reinsert them in the tray. Place your prepared lip balm tray on top of a cookie sheet or similar pan so you can easily transfer it to the fridge later. The lip balm tray should look like this when finished. In a double boiler or a microwave, using a microwavable pitcher and 30-second intervals, melt together the shea butter, almond oil, beeswax, and cetyl alcohol, stirring occasionally. Once everything has just melted, add the essential oils and stir. Pour the lip balm mixture onto the lip balm tray. Use the spatula to scrape the mixture evenly into the tubes. Move the tray into the fridge to cool. Once the lip balm has set, use the spatula to scrape excess lip balm from the top of the tray. Remove the lip balm tubes from the tray, replace the lids, and label. To use, apply to the lips for soothing, softening, and richly moisturizing benefits. Let's test it out. I can't get enough of this lip balm. The silky feel combined with the refreshing mint scent makes it a joy to use daily. And it's such an easy way to keep my lips looking and feeling fabulous. Don't miss out on this refreshing experience. Get your DIY Lip Balm Kit from Simply Earth and start crafting your sweet mint lip balm today. I can't wait to see how your lip balms turn out. Share your unique creations on social media by tagging From Simply Earth and using hashtag #IMadeThis. Join our I Made This challenge to win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos.